Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2017 Audi RS6 and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their FORZA Motorsport series, and this is number 3 in that series. So let's open and see how it looks, and let's not try to damage the card. Okay, so here it is. So I personally love the vinyl wrappings and the paint job on this entire FORZA series. It's pure white along with some cool decals. Okay, if you are wondering, this is actually some kind of fiber or anything. No, it's actually painted. The lights are actually painted, tail lights. And same goes for the headlights, but the headlights are not even painted as well. So there is no grill details here. It's just painted on top of plain metal. But still it looks really good. What we can say, it's like the base model, so we can't expect much in this range. But the paint job and wrappings are really solid on this one. I mean the entire FORZA series. Hope you can see the interior, guys. It's a bit tricky to show it in the camera, but I'm just trying to do that. So that's it for today, guys. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.